waste all the battery. Look at this blue hair, motherfucker. Blue hair, emo hair. Ew. We're on a boat.
We're on a boat. Penis!
Yeah, I don't care. I'm still gonna use that. Jump off. Go for a swim. It's nice.
Okay.
Go, come on.
Go.
Bro, go for a swim. Come on. Yeah. You know, you don't have to pay for the boat if you get off and swim.
We be vlogging and shit.
You don't have to. You don't have to pay for the boat. You can just steal the boat.
Oh.
It's only one guy. It's free.
I will steal the boat and go to Mexico. Yeah.
I don't think that's. I don't. How far can you go on a boat?
On this one we can go far, really. I promise.
Oh, how far though? No, I don't think you can go much far. I mean,
like Mexico.
This is the full speed this boat goes, by the way.
Really?
Yeah. So I don't think you'll be able to go far. I need fucking nail polish. Look, right here. First thing we have nail polish. 10 dirhams. Mashallah.
Oh my god.
Any cheaper nail polish?
Damn, you wanna put that on your nails?
Hell no, dog. We got neon powder though.
What? What is it?
Hey yo Mo, catch my balls. Caught my balls. Hey yo Mo, grab my balls.
Grab my fucking...
What's this? Your puffy balls?
Aha, what are you doing?
Okay, that's enough of that.
Cocaína.
What the fuck? I'm in the shower.
You gonna shower, huh?
Yeah, I'm in the shower. Oh.
What are you doing?
Oh, hey. What are you trying to look in the shower? What are you? Just taking a shower. Stop.
Okay.
What the fuck is that? Ew.
Bruh.
That's fucking disgusting. Let's lock that back in there.
I like fly like a...
Do a backflip.
I don't know. This bitch, right?
Fuck the bitch. I hope someone comes in and sees it. Oh.
Stop!
I'm literally kicking your ass.
Bro, stop! 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 Get me out of here!
Ah, fuck! The run up is so bad. Bro. I'm a male stripper. Subscribe to my Patreon. Get free toe pics. If you're lucky, we can even go on a Roblox date. Damn.